This is in just right outside of Kruger National Park. We are in room 226 here. So it's a slightly small room. So to the left of the entrance, you have your bathroom with a nice mirror here. As you can hear, the fan is on. You have your pretty nice sink with some pretty good soap and body lotion, and some cups there. Standing shower, pretty nice and modern. Rain shower head with some shampoo and things. And here's the view of the room. Turn on some lights here. Okay, you got your desk here with outlets on the top. Very nice. A chair. You got two queen beds. Well, no, two double beds. Not quite twins, so they're pretty good. And got a view of the parking lot with a little what do you call it? A little view, a little balcony there. You got a little nook here with some with a fridge, small fridge, two complimentary waters, coffee maker, coffee, ice carrier, pretty good. And you have your view. Let's walk outside, see. Hold on. All right. Push this out. There we go. You got two little chairs here. There's a little light on this side. Where do I turn it on? Oh, here we go. Boom, boom. Oh, yeah. So the light turns on. A little ceiling light here as well. You have a light on the outside. Nice little balcony looking back at the rest of the hotel here. And you see a bit of a view of the ridge. Good for sunrise, sunset. Here's a view looking in to the room. Flat screen TV. Two beds. And that's it for this quick video. Look at this. These are beautiful chalets. Basically individual rooms or houses for people who want to stay in their own private place with kids and whatnot. It's got 2 decks, one in the front, one in the back with a barbecue. Looking out to this beautiful golf course. Grass area, the Lisu golf course. Beautiful.